In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopify visual stability easy. If you're seeing layout shifts, jumping elements, or unstable visuals on your Shopify store, this is referred to as visual stability issues, often tied to cumulative layout shift (CLS). Currently, Shopify has improved its themes, but older themes or custom code can still cause these problems, which can affect user experience and even SEO. Fortunately, the fixes are usually simple. The first step is to check your theme and app setup. Visual instability often comes from apps that inject code into your storefront, such as pop-ups, sliders, or third-party widgets. Temporarily disable any recently added apps and refresh your store to see if the layout stabilizes. If the problem disappears, you've identified the source. You can then adjust the app settings or contact the developer for a more stable implementation. Next, ensure your images and media files have defined dimensions. When images or videos load without specified width and height, the layout can jump as the page renders. In your Shopify admin, go to Products now. Go to Media or check any custom sections in Online Store. From here, go to Themes. Finally, press on Customize and make sure images are uploaded in consistent sizes or that the theme automatically sets dimensions. Another key step is to update your theme. Shopify's Online Store 2.0 themes are built with visual stability in mind, and theme developers frequently release updates to improve CLS. If you're using an older theme, upgrading to the latest version or switching to a modern theme can significantly reduce layout shifts. Finally, check for custom code or liquid edits. Custom scripts that dynamically resize elements or inject content can create instability. Review any changes you've made in Online Store and, if necessary, revert or adjust the code to maintain consistent element sizes. After completing these steps, test your store on multiple devices and browsers to confirm the layout remains stable. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.